I'm so excited that I got to make this Wonder Woman spread in my Life Organized Paper House Planner. It's so fun. I love Wonder Woman so much. I also have a tip on how to get washi all the way in to the edge of a paper in a coil bound planner, so stay tuned for that. Hi, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate. So the first thing that I'm going to do in this spread is to actually snip the entire page. I've actually taken 2 pages, so I'm sticking them all together, and that way I can take them right out of the book and lay them on my table so that I can work with them a lot easier. I'm left-handed and I find it a lot easier to work with the pages out of my book when I'm in a ring or a spiral. And as a bonus, it's also a great way to be able to get the washi all the way to the edge of your page. The only thing is once you do that, you do have to cut a little hole for the spiral, but it usually doesn't pose a problem. Now here I've taken 2 different washis. It's actually the watermelon washi from the summer collection, but I wanted it to have a Wonder Woman feel, so I put a little bit of gold. There I am cutting the holes for the spiral. I took gold and I covered up the green of the watermelon rind, so that it would be more Wonder Woman-ish? I don't know. Anyway, this is a gold star. I think it's the Supergirl Superman washi, and I put that there. I'm cutting another hole for that spiral on that side, and then I'm just going to do the exact same thing on this page to get the red and gold, and then at the top the red, and then I'll just layer the red on top of the green, and then I fold the green over to the back page. And then when I do that other page, I'm just going to cover up with washi or stickers or something else. Or I can always just pull it back up and cut it off. It's not a big deal. But folding it back over for me just gets it out of the way quickly and easily. And now you can see the pages lay flat on my table, so I'm able to work a lot easier than when it's in the book. Now I don't suggest doing that with every page because then it'll get hard to put them all back in. But if you do it every once in a while, it doesn't make things too complicated in your planner, and you can get them back in. Another trick, if you just want to cut the top or the bottom, the first 3 or 4 holes, that'll be a great way for you to be able to just put the washi all the way to the end of your page and make it easier to make the design continuous right to the edge of the page. And then you just push those pieces back into the spiral, and you're all set to go without making the whole page weaker, I guess. So now I'm just adding some of the stickers from the Wonder Woman sticker book, which I absolutely adore. Here I'm adding a little bit of gold to make it fit the entire height of the long box of the week, because I have the to-do one. It doesn't quite make it to the top. And these boxes are fantastic. They're all they'll match, first of all, so it makes it really easy to make a page. And they're all so pretty and wonderful. They're pun not intended, but yeah, I'll go with it. And then this is the pack of the Wonder Woman stickers. And what I just did was I actually took it out of the package and then stuck the sticker sheet to the backing so that I can keep it neat and I can have the packaging there without the outside plastic. This is the Creative Journaling pack, and I'm just taking some of the gold stickers and using those as decoration on top of the red washi along the top for a little extra shine. Love it. And then I'm just adding kind of some layering of stickers. I like to layer things on top and add a bit to what's already there so that make it more personal, make it more my style. So I'm going in and just fiddling around and adding stickers to where I think they might work best. But there's so much choice and there's so many Wonder Woman things that it was a lot of fun. It was so much fun. I really like this. I really like this line. If you've seen any of my other videos or my Instagram stories, I get very, very excited over this line. Alright, so I'm doing the same thing again. I'm sticking the stickers to the packaging so I don't have to have that plastic. I guess it's like a bag around the outside. And these little tiny ones are so fun. The little tiny stars are fiddly to put on, but once you get them on the page, they look fantastic. And there's a little one that says POW, and I don't know, they're just a lot of fun. So here's a half box and another Wonder Woman sticker, and yeah, just adding lots of things to make the page look to look really fun and superhero-y and my style as well. So it's a good mix of everything that I like and everything that my style as well as my obsession with Wonder Woman at the moment. And it's not just Wonder Woman, it's also Gal Gadot. I like her a lot. Yep. Anyway, let's get back to the planner page. Alright, so a few more stickers and back to the creative journaling stickers and adding a bit more decoration to the page because the gold really matches, and I love adding gold to anything, so it doesn't have to be just the Wonder Woman line. It could be anything that you add these little gold touches to, and then I add a march. And it really does look cohesive, even though it's not from the same line. The gold really brings everything together, so you can use the gold. Here I'm putting numbers in as well, so you can use the gold or anything that matches from other lines into the Wonder Woman line as well. Now just a few more stickers, because why not, right? I love these stickers, and I'm just adding on pretty much as I can to make the page look really fun, really great without it being overwhelming. So there you have it. That is basically it. My absolutely wonderful Wonder Woman spread. Hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Happy planning.